Hello everyone, this is another episode of me trying Turkish snacks. And today's snack is Fella's high protein bar with coconut and cocoa. There is no added sugar, there is no vegetable oil. So I think it is really healthy, but I have no idea how it tastes. So right now I'm gonna try it first time and I hope it will be good taste. So if it will be good, so I think I'm gonna eat this more often because but one bad thing about this is it's really expensive. Like this one single bar is 100 lira, which is super expensive. Appearance is like Snickers, but normally Snickers have nuts on the top, but it doesn't have. It's normal. So let's try. The taste is really good, this thing. You can try it. I really liked it. It is really good because it has dates. So I'm gonna give 8 out of 10. It is really healthy and tasty as well. So you can try it if you want. That's all. I hope you guys liked this video and I will come again with another snacks in another episode. Bye bye.